Yeah.
Oh, no, we're not tipping it. Don't tip it.
I know, I'm trying not to.
Video on this?
Just in case.
Engineer, that worked. It's a little slack there on the side. I don't know if you want to.
Okay.
What if it comes out of the floor?
Do you guys need help?
Not really.
No, look at it. Let's just swing the boom out and then push it out.
You're caught. Hey, Tim. You're caught. The line is caught right there.
Yeah,
But you want that?
Okay. Pull that. Pull that one.
We'll be fine.
Okay.
Stop. What are you doing? Stop filming. Fucking, hey,
Oh,
what are you...
God. You guys, it might slide out of the knot. Oh, Tim, be careful that's not caught. Oh, God. Oh, God.
Okay, I still got it. I still got it.
Watch my arm.
Is it?
Watch your arm.
Okay.
Now that, right by your leg, right by your leg. There, give it that one.
Okay, now set it down on this edge.
Now swing the boom out.
Swing the fucking boom out, yes.
Justin, swing the boom out. Push it out.
More?
That actually should be okay.
Pull the yes.
You can't, they can't.
Hey,
It's
fuck,
too
let's
black.
move over here.
Hang on, you're too black. Give me slack. Okay, now. Okay.
I thought they
Don't block it up on each other. Just, yeah. We're going to have to drop it a little bit.
Okay, well, I can barely
Well, let go of it. Shit.
There you
Let
go.
go.
Up,
Let go,
up.
Tim.
You want me to pull it out?
No. Got it? Sploosh.
Yep.
It's, hey.
Oh, God.
Holy shit.
Speed it out.
Keep
Go,
going.
go quick.
Go quick before anybody sees what we're doing.
What you're doing is perfect. Just as a bitch and a half. It's on the floor. It's on the floor.
There we go.
Fucking right.
Woo.
Okay,
All right, Paige, we're going to lower it down. Keep lowering it down so them Paige